Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install previous Nvidia drivers and downgrade to older Nvidia driver version. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the display adapter section. In here you can able to see your graphics card model. You just need to note down your graphics card model name. After that just right click on it and select uninstall device. And check mark attempt to remove the driver for this device and select uninstall option. After getting uninstall done, you just need to close stuff here and check my video description for this download link. You just need to scroll down. You just need to select your graphics card model over here. Select your operating system, select your language and select start search. And now the driver version listed over here guys. Now you need to find your current graphics card driver version. To know that you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then check my video description for the download link. Select the drivers tab and in here you can able to see your driver version guys. In my case 475.14. This is the latest driver. If you want to go back to previous stage, then you just need to download this driver guys. Just select get download option, select download now option, and it started downloading. Once it get download done, you can install this driver, and that's how you can downgrade to older Nvidia driver version. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.